Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make an article to video. As you can see, has a second option. So for article to video, so we have to paste the link here. So now simply we have to search for the article here. So I'm going to search, and then simply we have to press the enter. And after pressing enter, as you can see, I'm going to click on this. And now let's click on this again. And now we are going to open sites. As you can see, this is the article. So simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the some content of this article. So let's copy this from here, or we just need to copy the link. So I'm going to copy this link, sorry. And after that we have to go to this. And now, and here we have to paste the link of the article. Now simply we have to click on the proceed, and after clicking on the proceed, it will take few seconds or few minutes in generating article to text, and after that it will generate the video as well. So it's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, here's the summary of this one. As you can see, you can check out the summary, and this was the article. So now simply we have to click on the next, and after clicking on the next, it will take few seconds or few minutes in generating your video. So we have to wait until it generates the video. So as you can see, the video is generated. Now simply if you want to check out the video's preview, you can also do that. You simply click on the preview, and after clicking on the preview, the video will be started and you will be able to check this. So as you can see here, the video is running. So in this way you can create a video. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.